Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome back. Welcome back with the additional of the Saturday Sunday edition. Yes, the weekend edition. Let me show you Saturday. It's actually today Sunday, January the 26th, 2025. We have here 7 extra puzzles. Those puzzles are the letter Sudoku, 2 stars, 3 stars, and 4 star Sudoku. We have 2 jigsaw Sudokus, one with 4 stars, one with 1 star. In Dutch, they call it Cyberblock, in Japanese, Shiguru. And the last puzzle is the binary puzzle. And these puzzles I'm not interested. Total of 7 extra puzzles. 4 of them I will solve this afternoon. In the evening, we have 1 puzzle left. The Samurai Sudoku, yes. But first, these 4 puzzles I will do. And the first one is a 3-star Sudoku number 9973. And this one has a lot of printed digits. Wow, cannot believe this. Publisher 30 printed digits. 30. Well, usually the 3 stars has 25. This one has 5 digits more. This should be a 0 stars puzzle. A 0 stars puzzle. I need to be faster than 13 minutes. Well, it's indicated by the publisher with 3 stars. For 3 stars puzzle, 20 to 30 minutes. Question is this a 3 stars or a 0 stars puzzle? We don't know. We will see. So let's get started. We have 2 numbers left in this big square. For numbers 1, the 2, 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, 9 is missing. 3 and 9, 3 and 9. We have a 9 in the last row. No 9 there. 9 should be here and a 3 goes here. Same for here. 2 numbers left in this big square. For numbers 1, the 2 is missing and the 3 is missing. 2 and 3, 2 and 3. Cannot fill this yet. Let me mark those 2 boxes. 7. Need a 5 here. Wait. 6 in this column, 6 in that column, so the column 3 in the middle column. The only place level 6 should be there. 8, 8. Okay. Then, let me see. 5 here. And the 7 there. Come on, come on, come on. 8 in the first column, 8 in the third column, so the column 3 in the second column. The only 2 places level 8 should be here or there. We have 8 in the second row, no 8 there. 8 should be there. 8, 8. 8, 8, 8, 8, 8. Yeah, I need 8 there. 7. Need 7 here. Need 5. Need 5, 7. Come on, come on, come on, come on. 175. Okay. In this row, the last row, we have 4 missing numbers. 3 of those missing numbers are the numbers the 1, the 7, and the 5. We have 1, 7, and 5 in the last column, so no 1, 7, and 5 in this box. 1, 7, and 5 goes in these 3 boxes as a triplet. So 1 digit left in the last row for number. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5. 6 is missing, okay. 6 in the last column, 6 in the column next. So that column, the only 2 places level 6 should be here or there. We have 6 in the middle row, no 6 there. 6 should be there. 6, 6. 6, yeah, 6 in this row, 6 in the second row, so in the first row. Only 2 places level 6 should be here or there. We have 6 in the third column, no 6 there, 6 should be here. 6 in the first column, 6 in the third column, so the column between second column, the only 3 places level 6 should be here or there. We have 6 in this row, no 6 there. 6 in the middle row, no 6 there. The only place level 6 should be there. Okay, 2, 3. I need a 1 in this row. The first row. Well, here can be 1. We have a 1 in this big square, so no 1 there. So the 1 should be here then. Yeah. So the 2 and the 3 are left. 2 and the 3. We have a 3 in the third column, no 3 there. 3 should be here. 2 goes there. 1 box left in this big square for number 2. Need a 2 here and there. We have a pair in this big square. 2 and 8 in the first row, 2 and 8 in the second row. So the third row, the only 3 places left of the 2 and 8 goes in these 3 boxes. 2 and 8, 2 and 8, 2 and 8. And look, we have 2 and 8 in the middle column, so no 2 and 8 in this box. 2 and 8 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. So the 4, 5, and the 3 are missing. 4, 5, and the 3. 3, 4, and 7. 3, 4, and 7. Okay, and now, 1, 1. We have a pair in this column. 3 missing numbers. 2 of those missing numbers in the second column are the numbers 1 and 2. We have a 1 and a 2 in this big square, so no 1 and 2 in this box. 1 and a 2 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. So 1 digit left in now in the third column for number 1 and 2. The 3 is missing here. Okay. 3 in the first row, 3 in the second row, so the third row, the only place level 3 should be there. 2 numbers left now in the third row for the numbers, the 1, the 2, the 3, 4 is missing, the 5 and the 6 and the 7 is missing, 4 to 7, 4 to 7. Let me mark those 2 boxes. That means 1 digit left in this big square. I believe the 9 in this first row, 9 in the third row, so the row between the second row, only place level 9 should be there. Need a 9 there. 7, 4, and I need a 3 there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers 1, the 2, the 3, 4 is missing, and the 5 is missing. 4 and 5, 4 and 5. I need a 5 here. Okay, 1, 7, 5. Yeah. I need a 9 here. No, 9, need a... Yeah. 9 in this row, 9 in the row above. So that row, the only 2 place level 9 should be here or there. We have a 9 in this column, no 9 there. 9 should be here. Need a 9 here. One, 2, 3, 1, 7, and the 2. Need a 2 here. Well. Come on. This is taking too long. 2, 3, 8. 2, 3, 8. Okay. 2, 2. Yeah. I need a 9 here. 9 there. Come on, need a 1 here, In this column, the middle column, we need a 1. Here can be 1, we have 1 in this big square, no 1. So the 1 could be there. Here or there. We see another 1 in this row, no 1 there, 1 should be there. That means here cannot be a 1, should be the 7 and a 5, okay. 2 numbers left, the 4 and the 5. We have a 4 in this row, no 4 there. 4 should be here, 5 goes there. 1 box left in the second row for number 5. Need a 5 here. 5 in this row, 5 in that row. So the row between the middle row, the only 2 places left for 5 should be here. Or there, we have 5 in this column, no 5 there, 5 should be here. Need a 1 here, okay. 2, 3, need a 4 here. 2, 3, 4, yeah. 3 missing numbers in this row. 4 numbers, the 1, the 2 is missing, 3 is missing, and the 4 is missing. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4. And look, we have 3 and the 4 in this column. So no 3 and the 4 in this box. 3 and the 4 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. So 1 digit left in this row for number 2. And we have a pair again in the last column. 3 missing numbers. 2 of those missing numbers are the 2 and 8. We have a 2 and 8 in this big square, so no 2 and 8 in this box. 2 and 8 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 2 and 8, 2 and 8. We have a 2 in this one, no 2 there. 2 should be, and 8 goes there. So 1 that you left in the last column for the number. The 1, the 2, the 3 is missing. So the 1, 7, and the 5 are left. Well, we have a 5 here. So the 1 and the 7 are left here. Okay, 1, 7, and a 5. Here, 1 and the 7 are left. 1 and the 7. Here it's wait, 2 numbers left. The 1, the 2 is missing 2. The 3 and the 4, the 5, the 6 and the 7 is missing 2 and the 7, 2 and 7. 2 and 7. We have a 2 in this row, no 2 there. 2 should be here. 7 goes there. 1, 7, 5. We have a 7 in the last row, no 7 in these two boxes. 1 box left, the 7 should be here. So the 1 and the 5 are left. We have a 5 in this column, no 5 there. 5 should be here, the 1 goes there. 1 over 7, we have a 1 here, so this box should be a 7. Then, yeah. Okay, 139, 139. 2 and 8, we have a 2 now. In this column, no 2 there. 2 should be here. 8 goes there. 8 in this row, 8 in the middle row, so in the row below, the only 2 places left, 8 should be here or there. We have 8 in this column, no 8 there. 8 should be there. 3, 4, and 7. Yeah, 7 in this column, 7 in the middle column, so the column next, the only 2 places left, 7 should be here or there. We have 7 in the middle row, no 7 there. 7 should be here. 7 in this row, 7 in the middle row, so in the row below, only place level 7 should be there. 7 in the 4, we have a 7 now in the first column, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 4 goes there. 1 box left now in the first column for number 1, the 2, the 3 is missing here. Then 2 numbers left in this big square for the, oh wait, 1 and a 2, we have a 2 now in this row, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and 1 goes, and then 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers, the 1, the 2, 3, 4 is missing, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, 9 is missing, 4 and a 9, 4 and a 9, we have a 4 in the middle row, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 9 goes there. 4 in this row, 4 in the row below, so the last row, 4 in this row, 4 in the middle row, so the row below, the only place left, 4 should be there. 3 and the 4, we have 4 now in this column, no 4 there, 4 should be here, and the 3 goes there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers, the 1 is missing, the 2 and the 3 is missing, 1 and 3, 1 and 3, we have 3 in this column, no 3 there, 3 should be here. 1 goes there, 1 in this row, 1 in that row, so the row between the middle row, the only place left, the 1 should be there, and the final 2 numbers in this big square. For numbers, the 1, the 2, 3 is missing, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, 9 is missing, 3 and 9, 3 and 9. We have a 9 in this row, no 9 there, 9 should be here, 3 goes there. 12 minutes. Well, told you, should be a 0 stars, cannot be a 3, 2, or 1. I'm faster than 13, 14 minutes, so I'm well pleased with the time. And I like this one, yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve by yourself. Thank you again for watching. See you in a minute with the other 3 puzzles. Until then, bye-bye for now.